Good morning, all of you. So, in the last video, we have started with the chapter that is lesson number 2, The Little Red Hen. I hope I have given you one homework that is on page number 16 to find out the home. So, it is a kind of a puzzle. I hope everybody has done it. Now, we have to start with page number 18. Not, I said the lamb. Not, I said the goose. Not, I said the cat. Now, here again the little red hen is asking them for the help. Here who three are the friends of the little red hen? The lamb, the goose and the cat. So, again they have denied to help them. Help her. The little red hen looked at the grains of the wheat. Then she looked again to her friends. What she did? She is again looking to the grains of the wheat, and she is again looking to the faces of their friends. Very well, I shall pick the wheat myself, she said, and she did. And she did just that. What she did? Again, she had done the work on her own, and she has picked all the wheats and the grains. She picked all the wheat and put it in a sack. Now sack? What she has done? She has picked all the wheat and she put it in one big sack. It was ready to the flour mill to be made into fine flour. Now, wheat, everybody is knowing about wheat. We eat chapatis, yes or no? The chapatis are made up of either of maida or of wheat. So, before we eat this chapati, it is grounded into fine powdered, that is of wheat. So, that wheat is what? Is taken to the flour mill, and then that flour mill is doing what? They are putting it in a kind of machine, and that is turned into a fine flour, and then you bring it from that market to your home, and then you make it the dough of that. And after making dough, your mothers are making dough, and then they make the chapatis for you. So here the little red hen is ready with the wheat of sack, and she is going to the flour mill to be made into fine flour. Early next morning, the little red hen said, "Who will help me take the wheat to the mill and have it ground?" Now what she is asking? Again to the next morning she is asking, who will help me to take this sack to the mill, flour mill. Not I, said the lamb. Not I, said the goose. Not I, said the cat. Again all the friends have told no to her, that they will not help her. The little red hen looked at the sack of the grain. Then she looked at the lamb, the goose and the cat. Again she is what doing? She is again looking to the sack of the grain, and then she is looking their faces. Now come to the next page, that is page number 19. Then I will take the wheat myself, she said, and she did. The next day, the little red hen baked a beautiful loaf of bread. This is a beautiful, when you bring the bread, it is like this. So we called it as a loaf, and then the pieces we make it becomes to the bread. Now what she did? The next day, the little red hen baked the beautiful loaf of bread. She asked the lamb, the goose, the cat, who will help me eat this beautiful loaf of bread? Now she is asking, who will help me to eat this? Now what the three friends are saying? I will, said the lamb. I will, said the goose. I will, said the cat. Now three of them are saying, yes, we will help you eat this. No, you won't, said the little red hen. Now the red hen is saying, no, I don't want the help of you three. Why she doesn't want? See in the next one. None of you help me. You did? not want to work, she said. What she told? Why she has told them no? Because they didn't help her any time. And all the time they were telling no, no, no. So she said, you did not want to work. And when you don't want to work, you will not be able to eat also. So she said, no, you won't be able to eat. Then, I am going to eat the bread with my chicks, and said the little red hen, and she did. Can you see this picture? In this little red hen with her cheeks, they are having the plates, and on that plates they are having the bread, and they are eating, and they are having the nice time they all are having. So she said, I am going to eat this bread with my chicks, and said this little red hen, and they are doing in this picture. So here we have ended up with the beautiful story that we should always help our friends and we should take care of them. Helping and caring is a good activity. Now, can you see this here? On page number 19, last, draw your favorite animal on a piece of paper. What you will do? You will take a piece of paper. You will draw your favorite animal. Stick spices and grains on different colors to make it colorful. Don't stick the spices. Only with the help of crayons, sketch pens, whatever colors you have, just make it colorful. And then, with the help of your mother, what you will do? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write any 4 kinds of spices. Spices your mother is using. She can tell you the names. You will write it here. Don't write it in copy. Don't draw it in copy. Nothing to do with the copy. Only what you have to do is you have to write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the help of your mother. The different kinds of spices. Okay. So in the next video we will be doing the exercise part. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye.